In an arithmetic progression, the sixth term is 2 and the product a1, a4, a5 is the greatest one. And let a be the first term and d is the common difference of arithmetic progression AP. So that we can write a6 as a plus 5d is equal to 2. So we can write a is equal to 2 minus 5d. And now consider the product a1 into a4 into a5, which is equal to a into a plus 3d into a plus 4d. So a we can write it as 2 minus 5d into a plus 3d as 2 minus 5d plus 3d into 2 minus 5d plus 4d, that is 2 minus 5d into 2 minus 2d into 2 minus d. So here we got the function in terms of d. Let us consider f of d. And to get the product is greatest one, so let us use the concept of applications or derivatives. So to get maximum value, we need to consider f dash of d is equal to 0. So let us differentiate f dash of d is equal to, so 2 minus 5d into 2 minus 2d into differentiating of 2 minus d is minus 1 and again plus, now consider the second term 2 minus 5d into the last term 2 minus d into differentiating the second term, so we'll get minus 2 plus again differentiating the first term, remaining the two terms as it is 2 minus 2d into 2 minus d into differentiating 2 minus 5d is minus 5. So on simplification, f dash of d is equal to, so minus 1 times of, so 4 minus 10d minus 4d plus 10d square and again minus 1 times of, or minus 2 times of 4 minus 10d minus 2d plus 5d square and again minus 5 times of 4 minus 4d minus 2d plus 2d square. So we can write f dash of d is equal to minus 4 minus 10 minus 4 is minus 14, so plus 14d, and here it comes minus 10d square and here it comes minus 8, minus 10 minus 2 is minus 12, so plus 12 2s are 24d and again minus into plus minus 10d square and again here minus 20 minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6, so it comes plus 30d and again minus 10d square. So after simplifying, you will get f dash of d is equal to minus 30d square plus 68 times d minus 32, or we can write minus 2 taken common, 15d square minus 34d plus 16, and factorizing here 15 into 16, we can write 3 into 5 into 2 into 8, 8 3s are 24 minus 24 plus 10 is 34, so we can write 15d square minus 24d minus 10d plus 16. So from the first two terms we can take 3 common, 3d common, so we can write 5d minus 8, and the second two terms we can take 2 common, 5d minus 8, so we can write 5d minus 8 into 3d minus 2, so we can write f dash of d is equal to minus 2 times of 3d minus 2 into 5d minus 8. So the critical points are here. D is equal to 2 upon 3 and D is equal to 8 upon 5. So by using the wavy curve, so 2 upon 3 and another point 8 upon 5. So based on the sign change rule, so it's positive, but because there is a coefficient negative minus 2, so we need to consider here the curve as, so here it in this region negative and here it is positive and here it is negative. So we can say that at the point 2 upon 3, the sign is changing from negative to positive, so which is a minima, and at the point 8 by 5, the sign is changing from positive to negative. So at D is equal to 8 by 5, the sign changes from positive to negative, which implies that f of D have f of t is maximum, the function is maximum at D is equal to 8 by 5. So we can say that the product to be greatest one, so D is equal to 8 by 5 to be considered. So we can go with an option A.